on Take 5 with Cleanfax. I'm pleased to welcome Ashlee Hofberger. She has 12 years of experience in the industry and now working with the Restoration Industry Association on industry content. Ashlee, welcome.
Thank you.
Today, we're going to talk about something, Ashlee, that, it's in the magazines that I publish and when I see things on different industry websites, it's all about finding good help, good workers, and not just finding them, but how to bring them in and how to keep them. So what is going on with that topic today that you'd like to comment on?
Yeah, absolutely. It's not just about, employee retention. It's also about keeping the right people and having the right turnover. So you want to make sure that you're building a team of the right people and that you're helping those people advance their career. And really at my branch, we focus on that career development and that career growth. So we always have a pipeline of people coming in and being able to move up with the company.
Okay, so let's get into the nitty gritty. Share some tips, some strategies that you feel work for the restoration industry on doing what you just said.
Absolutely. So my favorite thing about the restoration industry is it's probably one of the only industries you can come in with absolutely no experience. Maybe you have a high school diploma, maybe you just have a GED, and within 10 years, you can be making really good money. No college degree, no college education. You just have to apply yourself and really work for it. And that's a really awesome feeling to help somebody make a career out of something that they thought was just a job. So we really focus on that career development. You come in as a tech and we'll help you get the IICRC training. We'll help you get those certifications. We'll move you to a lead tech. We invest time and energy and the effort to grow you from a lead tech to mitigation project manager. And then you're in that middle level management. And we're able to work with you on your management skills and your interpersonal communication skills and what it takes to actually be successful as a leader. And then from there, it's really endless. You can go into estimating, you can go into department management, you can be a branch manager. So we really focus on not just having like a regular job, but having a career and making something that you enjoy doing. And we get to help people. I mean, it's an awesome industry to be in.
It is an awesome industry, and those that stick with it, enjoy it, they grow, and it's great to hear some of your strategies there. I notice on your LinkedIn profile, Ashlee, it says you have a background in talent acquisition. So I have to ask, talent acquisition, how do you identify the talent out there?
Yeah, and it's hard. Like I said, sometimes we're just looking for technicians, and a lot of people say, oh, well, it's just technicians. Yeah, it is, but they're the most important people to the client. It's the first one that walks through the door after a client's experience one of the worst things they'll ever go through aside from a death in the family. So when we look at who we're recruiting for those positions, it's, do you have a heart for what you do? Do you have the work ethic? Do you have the ambition to be more than just an hourly employee? And it's really defining what that looks like in the candidates and then bringing them into the fold and showing them how they can grow. If we're looking for middle level management, we have a lot of people on our team that are in management positions and they didn't really come from a background in mitigation. We had to teach them the mitigation side, but they came with a background of leadership and a heart for caring and a heart for what they do. So it's really finding people that fit into your team, into your company culture, and growing them where you need them to be.
So would you say it's hire the heart?
I would, absolutely.
Thank you, Ashlee.